beautiful people. My name is Mami Peters. Welcome to my new TV show, Talk with Miss Peters. This will be a social media platform where we'll be discussing amazing topics with the right people. Topics like social inclusion, education, health, beauty and lifestyle. Oh my God, that will be my best topic. Empowerment and many more. Look forward to it, guys, as I will be discussing this amazing topic with you all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Talk with Miss Peters. Follow me on Facebook, Talk with Miss Peters. On TikTok, Talk with Miss Peters. Instagram, Talk with Miss Peters. Thank you so much. I love you all.